Good afternoon, everybody. Mike Ehrlich with MarineMax coming to you today from a 2011 Sea Ray 330 Sundancer. First thing to notice here on the transom is the aft-facing seat. Awesome when you're hanging out at anchor or the dock. You do have some storage behind it too. That folds up to give you a nice large swim platform here. Worry not. Transom stereo remote. Got the chili peppers there. Single shore power inlet, freshwater washdown, city water hookup. Enter the cockpit port side through a transom door. You notice down here, seller kept it on a lift so he couldn't really get to the engines to flush it, so he had custom flush kits added for the port and starboard engine. So whether you keep it on a lift or even in the water, you can still flush this boat. Man, what made the Dancers great, these big U-shaped cockpits, storage under the seats, teak table. That is a magma grill that I believe will convey with the boat. Got your sink, cockpit refrigerator, pardon my shoes, some good storage. Battery switches are so easy to access on this boat, right there in the cockpit. Don't have to remove any cushions. All right, 370 hours on the boat. This is Axius with joystick control. Some of the other advantages of that Axius, turn that down a little, will give us this skyhook feature, position holding, as well as autopilot, push button stop start, and of course all that comes with digital throttle and shift with one lever position, electronic engine sync, and a dock mode for reducing power. A Raymarine hybrid touch screen with a sonar on it. Mercury Smartcraft as well as analog gauges. Beautiful helm here. VHF with the remote speaker and your spotlight and your stereo control. This is the walk-through windshield. One of the things that Sea Ray does for you, rather than little tiny steps, close the door, no one falls in. We had a disabled vessel between Freeport and Lake Worth. We don't need to hear about that. Big steps, easy access to my bow. I'm walking up, no hands. Big foredeck, you can put whatever cushions, party equipment you want up here. You do have a windlass and a spotlight. Bow rail in excellent condition, no bends. This aluminum windshield looks good. Do have a hard top. There's a grab rail to help me get back down here. All right, let's take you inside this beautiful boat. I like that the drink holders are big enough for the bottles there, not just the cups. Teak steps bringing me inside. All right, now the interior here, nice berth for two up front. Deck hatch with light, good storage along the sides. There's my thermostat and AC control. All the manuals are here, big first aid kit. You do have skylights in this boat, two of them, and they come with the cushions for blocking out the light at night. There's also a shade for that hatch. To starboard, a nice couch that does pull out to sleep one person under 5'5". Or 6'7" person likes to curl up. I've got windows in the whole side as well as storage. There's my TV, DVD player, my stereo, and my main panel. Now back here in the mid cabin, that is my isinglass enclosure. He doesn't use it. There's a cockpit cover that will convey with this boat. So as you can see, all this has been stored with paper, everything in perfect condition still. All right. Only thing left to see is the head, I guess. Vacuum flush head. Opening window there. Storage above, storage below. Galley features a 2-burner stove, stainless sink, microwave oven. Call Mike Ehrlich at MarineMax, 954-684-1375 to check out this 2011 Sea Ray 330 Sundancer.